Hello, this is just a quick tutorial on how to change the game icon in Unreal Engine. So you'll see that I've packaged a project before. It's called My Project 4, and as you'll notice, its icon isn't the default Unreal Engine icon, which you will usually get when you package your Unreal Engine game without changing the setting. I've got the cow from Barnyard. This is a pre-made project, so we'll close that. To get this when we package our game and actually send it off, we'll need to go into our project settings. We'll need to go right down to our platforms, click Windows, and here you'll be able to change your game's icon. So you can choose a file from the computer. The default's there. What I'll be wanting to do is grab the cow from Barnyard, off Google Images, save the image as a JPEG, but I won't be able to use it as a JPEG because it only accepts icon files. If I tried to search for a file now and go into my downloads, there is that, but that's from a previous video attempt where I've actually converted it. So I'll close that. I'll go back into the Chrome tab, and what you'll need to do is convert your JPEG into the ICO format which Unreal Engine will accept. So we'll go to our documents, we'll get our JPEG, drag it in, start the conversion. This shouldn't take long. See, we've got this, we can download it, save. Now we go back into Unreal Engine, choose a file, go back into downloads, and there it is. That's actually a different picture of the barnyard cow. A better one. And that will automatically save. Now all we need to do is package our project, which shouldn't take long for me as I've packaged it many times, but for you it could take 10 minutes, so just bear with on that. Now that it's packaged, we can go and grab it from our folders. You should be able to find yours somewhere. Now, as you see, we've got the finished product open, and we press start, and we can see that instead of the Unreal logo, we've got our own custom image, which is the barnyard cow. Now this will work for any image, obviously. So that's all you need to know.